This is the Ecobia Home Biodigester. And we're just going to show you how easy it is to actually use. We're just going to go through the process, which is very simple. This is one that we've actually been using at home. There's an internal bucket that you can remove, as you can see here. You just add in your waste food, all your kitchen scraps, your leftover dinners, all of that sort of thing. Return the bucket back into the biodigester. Then we just need to pop in the enzyme tablet, close the lid and press start. When the cycle is finished, you now have EcoSoil Plus, a nutrient-rich soil additive that you can use around your garden.